But you know, the way social media work, for example, let's say Instagram or TikTok, once you open the app, it will first of all tell you your notifications, right? You know, and sometimes when you want to do what you want to do, you need the notification to go, so you click on it. So at that time you can see, or when I'm on TikTok, somebody can just comment. At that time, I will see the comments.
The comments.
Like, who is this person? What is this person saying? That's all. Or if a video is trending and many people are saying stuff, I'm like, okay, with this video, what did I say here? Then I listen to the video. I'm like, okay. So what's getting their attention? What are they saying? Then I can just read through. I don't care. That's why, check the internet. If you know anybody, bring the person. I am the only one that posts the video of people hating me, abusing me, insulting me. I'm the only one that posts it. I post it for many reasons. One of the reasons is that the internet does not lie. The internet doesn't throw away anything. We will come back in 5 years' time. Sure, you'll be girl. You dey talk anyhow for my comment section. You no wan get sense. And you never marry. No worry. In 5 years' time, somebody go bring that your comments, come show you, say, see wetin you talk.
Wow.
You dey insult me. No worry. In 3 years' time, we go know where we dey for life.
Seriously. That's true.
So at that time, I won't know whether you will go find out your comments. Come say you won't delete them. If you don't know anything, can't you just sit put and I don't agree, but stay where you are?
Yes.
If you want to comment, this will be the last one on this matter. If you want to comment, why don't you comment constructively? And guess what? Whatever you say is who you are. Wow. So it's not difficult to know you. When we read your comments, we can tell who you are. I'm a Jesus girl. This Jesus girl that you are. Now you take comment under my comment like this. Now like this, you take the Jesus girl. Yeah. Abba's daughter. Abba's daughter, like this thing when you comment. Let's even assume that what I said was wrong.
Yeah.
Let's assume that what I said was wrong. Is this like this you are Abba's daughter? This like this that you have this thing. I'm not talking about your dressing, your post. Leave your page. I'm saying the thought of your heart. The Bible says, out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh.
Yes.
So you cannot tell me I didn't mean it. I was joking. You are stupid. What stupidity means is to be slow in thinking. You are slow in thinking. You did not tell yourself that this thing when I want to talk, so it makes sense. This person when I want to insult, I know him. You don't even know the person.
Just social media.
You just think you want to type. So that's it. Internet doesn't concern me, all those comment sections. This one is just for educational purposes, for those who listen to me, who wants to learn, so that they can reflect and think like, I didn't see it like this before. No, it doesn't affect me for one reason at all.
So I like the fact that you say that you're already dead. Scriptures talk about being dead to the flesh, right? So if you must impact your word, especially in this, I call this generation foolish. And whenever I say it unapologetically, because what have you read? What have you seen? What have you understood that this young man said that you are dragging? Because I had to go over your video, like I said. Like, I have to sit down. Like, I and my elder sister, we had to, like, the foolishness of this generation is so alarming that we can't see somebody is trying to impact you. You even smile a lot. I don't smile. Excuse me, I don't smile with you. When was smile? I don't smile. I don't smile. He smiles. He tries to bring people along. I see the way you do things, and I don't have it. Like, I'm like, okay, how will I learn this from this person?